Oh, my God.
What's the matter?
Oh, on Thursday when I came home, I had $1,500 on me. For some reason, I decided to hide it in my laundry bag. And then I completely forgot about it. And then I took the laundry in on Friday. Oh, come on, let's go.
Where?
To the laundromat.
I never saw it.
Okay, come on. Give the guy his money. What are you doing?
Hey, you see that sign up there?
Oh, I see. So you put up a sign, so you can do whatever you want. You're not a part of society.
Yeah, that's right. Because this place is my country, and I'm the president, and that's my constitution. I'm not responsible.
So anybody leaves anything here, you could just take it. You have a license to steal. You are like the James Bond of laundry.
You ever hear of a bank?
Come on, let's go.
Oh, you can't let him get away with this.
Maybe we should call this off.
Come on, what's the big deal? Just gonna put a little concrete in the washing machine.
And what's gonna happen?
Well, it'll mix up with the water, and then by the end of the cycle, it'll be a solid block.
If only you could put your mind to something worthwhile. You're like Lex Luthor.
You keep him busy.
What about the gentle cycle? You ever use that? Do you think it's effeminate for a man to put clothes in a gentle cycle? What about fine fabrics? How do you deal with that kind of temperament? What about stonewashing? You ever witnessed one of those? That must be something. What, do they just pummel the jeans with rocks?
I didn't realize it was a full box.